As the world's leading manufacturer of high-density polyethylene folding tables and chairs, Lifetime Products has revolutionized the industry with their contoured folding chairs. They are durable, lightweight, and best of all, comfortable. With chairs perfect for your next event, Lifetime Products also offers a chair cart for convenient storage and transportation. The Lifetime Chair Cart is strong, durable, and holds at least 32 Lifetime chairs. Constructed of 16-gauge square steel tubing, the chair cart is 60 inches long by 32.5 inches wide and 55 inches tall. The powder-coated finish is rust-resistant and will not crack, chip, or peel, making the cart ideal for commercial use both indoor and outdoor. The swivel caster wheels have a 3-inch diameter that provides a smooth, easy glide for loading and unloading your chairs. The non-marking wheels are specifically designed to not scratch or mark up the floor. So enjoy the convenience of Lifetime Chair Cart for your next banquet, meeting, or group gathering. With our quality construction and innovative designs, Lifetime's tables and chairs are perfect for your next event, and our chair cart will make the setup and takedown easy.